Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about what could be the most valuable skill to learn in 2023. If there are so many options of different skills we can pick up on the weekend or after work, just like little things that we can work on and get better at, what would be the most in-demand and valuable skill set in the world right now? I think this answer might vary. I can probably at least get it down to maybe three. Obviously, this is just an opinion, but I feel like I should share it anyway. What I believe right now is the most valuable skill to have is the ability to, or I can at least narrow it down to two, is to have a deep understanding of data science, and then probably more important than that, the ability to code in Python. And the reason I say that is because for those people who are, depending on what you want to do, but for those people who are wanting to either start companies or are wanting to contribute to a company, there are different roles that need to be filled. And Python is the programming language that is going to be replacing a lot of manual labor tasks and even creative and other tasks that people do at their jobs. So if you know that, Python and using AI-based tools will help automate a lot of your work life. And that's important to know because if you can automate something and if the machine continues to get smarter and smarter over time, not only can you use Python and Selenium to automate tasks, but you can also use data science, and the more data that you have or just crawl from the internet and compile, the more intelligent your algorithm will become. And so if you are able to build that, that's extremely valuable because that's going to allow you, whether you are doing your own startup or working at a place, to be able to do the work of more than just one person and to do exponentially more with the tools that you use. You see, man isn't limited like other creatures that are created here on the planet, don't have the same intellectual capacity to create tools that improve efficiency in our lives. But now people have reached a point of intelligence where they're able to make tools that increase the efficiency. We've been doing this obviously for thousands of years. People have been progressing, but this is a new standard that artificial intelligence is setting for acceleration. And I want to talk a little more about it because I would say, now feel free to leave your comments below if you disagree, but I would say my arguments still hold true. The most valuable skill to learn in 2023 is how to code in Python, along with a deep understanding of data science. And when you understand data science, let's say you're looking at a marketing funnel or you're looking at any type of business or project, if you can understand those numbers and what numbers need to be improved in order for the bottom line performance of the company to be better. Maybe you're an athlete and you're a professional athlete. If you can look at your stats and be able to analyze and understand where you need to improve, and you're like really good at that, that's valuable because that can save money for businesses, that can increase money for businesses, that can save you from assuming things. A lot of people who have this, subjective emotions-based thinking, they think and they try and identify the problem, but they're just choosing assumptions. But by knowing data science, you're able to isolate the actual problem. And when you know the actual problem and you fix it and you improve that metric, it changes. It's like think of a manufacturing assembly line. If there's a bottleneck, there's a problem in one area where the machine isn't doing what it's supposed to, you don't want to work on other parts of the assembly line. You want to solve that problem so that the rest of it performs better. So those two skills going hand in hand, are extremely valuable. 2023 is the year to go deeper on those skills. Feel free to comment below if you disagree or if you agree. All views. I'm open to new perspective. So thank you.